This video is made possible by Gadgetzed. We have here another true wireless earbuds that are IPX7 rated and are quite built for fitness. It does look something that came from the premium category, but does its quality hold up for its looks? Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol, my name is Joen, and this is the Jabees Firefly 2. So Gadgetzed sent me these earbuds to get my opinions out of them. Well, even though they sent this out for free, I'll still be giving out my honest opinions about these earbuds because that's how we do it here in Vlogs of an Idol. So Jabees is a brand under the Free Tech International Company and was established on 2004. They produce audio products that play with colors to bring out the style of joy. Fun fact, the J in Jabees stands for joy, while the B stands for their stakeholders, including their associates and customers. So combined together, they are joyed by the bond they build with their customers. But nasan yung A? Because it's Jabees, so J, A, Bees. Ano yung A? The Jabees Firefly 2 is one of their latest earbuds released. Its main selling point is that it's IPX7 water resistant and is engineered for an active lifestyle. In all honesty, I'm not familiar with the brand nor their products, so all of my opinions said on these videos are unbiased and are based on my initial take with these earbuds. So in this video, we'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions about the Jabees Firefly 2. But if you'll enjoy this video, a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be breathtaking. Right off the bat, here is the Jabees Firefly 2 packaging. At the front, we can see the Jabees branding, the image of the earbuds, and some of its major selling points. At the sides, we'll see its key features, and at the back are more features but in different languages. Now let's remove the plastic and slide the compartment at the side of the box. We should see two boxes where the buds and accessories are located. As we open the accessory box, we should see the buds strap connector, small and large ear tips, filter mesh for the buds drivers, user guide, and the Type-C cable, which I forgot to take out on the video, so I'm sorry. Now we open the other box to see the earbuds within the case, and that's about the unboxing of the Jabees Firefly 2. So here's my first impressions. For the Jabees Firefly 2's price point, I was expecting a bit more. Most of the earbuds at this price range already offers Qualcomm chipset and an aptX codec. But the Firefly 2 only runs on an AAC SBC codec and is still on a master-slave connection. Although it is on an intelligent power switch technology that pairs up the earbuds to your device automatically once you've opened the case. The charging case has a built-in 500 mAh battery capacity that provides approximately 2 additional charges for the 2 earbuds if you've fully drained them. As said by Jabees, when charging the buds for 10 minutes, you can get 2 hours of music playtime, for it supports fast charging, and it only takes around 45 minutes to fully charge them. As for the case, it charges from its Type-C port, but it also supports QI wireless charging. It would take you 2 hours to charge the case by cable and 3 hours through wireless. We'll know if these charging times are true once we do a full review about these earbuds. Opening the case is quite easy, although it still has that satisfying feel when opening and closing them. I was able to open the lid with just one hand, but taking out the buds is another story. They are perfectly secured within the case. The magnet that holds them are quite strong, so it attracts the buds instantly. The case has a button inside used for factory resetting the earbuds. First one I've seen in a TWS earbuds that has a button within the case. So, yan nga yung suggestion ko sa mga earbuds na dapat kung maglalagay sila ng button, ilagay nila sa loob ng case kasi para hindi matarnish yung design ng mismong case. At ito pa ang maganda dito sa button na to, meron siyang function talaga. Hindi katulad nung iba na pinipindot lang para makapag-pair up sa ibang earphones. Like, pwede mo naman talagang i-turn off na lang yung Bluetooth nun eh. So, yun. It has 2 LED indicators at the front. The left one indicates the case's battery, while the right one lights up when the case is being charged. Actually, the buds design reminds me of the Jabra 65T. Their looks are pretty similar from the shape of the buds to its small stem. The Firefly 2 though is a bit smaller and it lacks the tiny holes the 65T has. At first use, it did make my ears hurt a little. The buds does have some heft to it considering its size, but with the default ear tips, it's pretty much a snug fit for me. I do experience a mild burning sensation when using it for long periods of time, but a slight adjustment on the buds would ease things up. It runs on an MF touchpad controls that is integrated with pressing buttons, meaning this is both smart touch and physical button control. This is the first time I've tried an earbuds with dual button controls. Both are responsive and can easily do controls such as play, pause music, increase volume, and switch to the next and previous song. It also has controls for manually turning on and off the earbuds and launching voice assistant. I did encounter an issue with the left earbud. The touch controls for playing and pausing music and switching to the previous song did not work after I press and hold the buds to do the volume control. Disconnecting the buds will fix the issue momentarily, but you will encounter this issue again once you press and hold the buds once more. So yeah, I'm yet to find a permanent solution for this problem. It does sucks that you have to press and hold the buttons rather than just touch and hold, because its physical buttons are a little hard to press on. It has an ambient sound mode to keep your ears open to what's going on in the world around you. To turn it on, you have to double press the left earbud as said on the guide, but it seems that I can't tell if it's turned on or not. So if any of you guys truly know how to enable them, just comment it down below. And finally, the Firefly 2 features a graphene enhanced sound quality. It utilizes the graphene for treble enhancements, noise isolation, and overall sound quality improvement. We'll know how well this graphene enhanced sound quality performance once we do a full review about these earbuds. You can buy the Jabees Firefly 2 for only 2,399 pesos from Gadgetzed. And that's it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Jabees Firefly 2. I will be indulging myself more with these earbuds to give out my overall review, which I'll release in the future. Big shout out to Gadgetzed PH for sending me these earbuds. I will be leaving their social media accounts on the description if you want to check them out. Actually, there are 2 more earbuds that they sent me. I will be doing an unboxing of them soon, so be sure to subscribe and click the notifications bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. I've also made our official Facebook page, Vlogs of an Idol. I'll be posting our latest videos and future giveaways there. Be sure to check them out and leave a like. Links will be in the description. That's it guys, stay safe, keep grinding, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!